Hello friends. I hope you all are doing well. Let's begin today's video. Today is a gentle reminder to not let every small thing take away your peace. As I started my day, I noticed how easily stress enters our mind. Not because of big problems, but because of small thoughts. We think about past. We think about future. We try to figure out everything at once. And slowly, our mind starts feeling heavy. So today, I made a quiet choice to not think about everything at the same time. To not give importance to every passing thought. I just focused on what I was doing in that moment. And slowly, something changed. I felt a little lighter, a little calmer. As the day went on, the thoughts came back again. What if this doesn't work? What if something goes wrong? What if I'm not doing enough? And for a moment, I felt that familiar stress again. But this time, I paused. I took a deep breath and gently reminded myself, not every thought deserves my attention. That one thought made a difference. Later in the day, I gave myself a small pause. Just stepping away from everything. To breathe and slow down. And in that quiet moment, I realized something. Stress doesn't always come from problems. It comes from holding on to too many thoughts at once. Sometimes, we just need to let them pass. Today's life lesson is simple. Don't take every small thing so seriously. Do what you can. Leave the rest for later. Because when you stop holding on to everything, your mind starts to feel lighter. As the day comes to an end, take a deep breath and gently remind yourself, you don't have to figure everything out today. That's all for today. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.